finally got all the cats. Oh my god, that was tiring. Ooh, we got a boatie. Boat, come to me. Yay. Can someone come with me? Okay, anyways, I guess I'm riding this board all by myself. But hey, at least I have this board. No, I mean this like sign, this flag thingy. It's so nice. I can climb on it. Oh my god, I can climb on it. This is so cool. Oh, never mind. Okay. Ah! Oh my god, if I jump, I might actually fall off the board. Hello? I don't know about this. Oh, there's a boatie. I don't get it. Oh no! Someone bit my boat! Wow. That was kind of rude. I guess someone just bit my boat and then went off. Hi. I got my ID. Here you go. Cat finder of the year. Oh, there's a security nap cat. They really should keep an eye on the job, or else they might get fired. Hi, sir. Okay. They just gave me some money. Oh, I like money. Okay. Anyone here? I expect someone here, right? If there's no one here, I expect they're probably just big backs. And that they just don't exercise. Dude, there's no one here. They're all big backs. What the heck? They're like all big backs. I bet there's like a chef here. I bet there's a chef here. Is there a chef here? Yes! How did I know? Because I think I just know. Alright, now the area we are going, we should go over to the cell blocks. You never know if we can see something. Block B. B. Whoa. Whoa. This dude dig down here? Okay, so it says to go over here. Oh, someone escaped here. I gotta go back. Go back. Because that's not. Are you serious? Oh my god. It was just chilling right there. I'm glad it's just chilling. Why is this one a rich one? I guess cats are rich. I expect upstairs there's more. Because there can't be more, right? Or am I just like... Is there more? Oh! Hey! I can't climb up? No? Those are fake! I guess they're just too lazy to build more, so I guess I should get out now. No. Where do you get out? Oh. That was obvious. I can't believe I ended up in this area. What about over here? Is over here like able to let me through? Oh, hi. Hi, sir. Glad to meet you. Anyone here? No, it's only you. Okay. Wait a second. Why did I jump over here when there was a little... Okay, I guess I just wasted my time then. I'm pretty sure one of the cats is one above there. Because there's no way they wouldn't be there. If they were there, I am literally gonna be so happy that I climbed up here. And then I'm gonna probably jump down. If I just wasted my time climbing, then I'm gonna get so mad. So how far does this go? Because I feel like, okay, finally. Anyone here? Yes! Oh my god, thank god. Now where's the exit? I want the exit. Ah! Okay, I expect this is the exit. No, that's my exit. That's my exit. No! I need my exit. Okay, there's an exit. Yes, someone traded me for the boat. I rolled the boat. Oh, oopsies. Like, I didn't mean to drop it. Oh, I see there's a shark. I see the shark. It's supposed to pop up. And then I will die. Yeah. You can restart your trial. Try again, sir. You're not that funny. Let me spawn. Pattanyan. Okay, I guess this is an island called Pattanyan. You. Once I collect 10, then I will end the video. Then we'll do a part 3. Oh. Bye! I'm gonna do the video soon. Soon, like today.